And then the back part, because it's also not too low.
Bitches love that Lambo.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title below, in this video I will be reviewing Airactive leisure sports attire. Now this is the first time I'm reviewing sports attire since I've been going to the gym again a lot, and I've been needing a different sizes for my after pregnancy body, so I need I need a few pairs of sports attire that I can feel comfortable and confident. This is the first time I'm purchasing their products. I found them on Shopee. I can see that a lot of people are giving a good review. I want to find a gym attire that doesn't cost too much but also does not compromise the quality and the comfortness of the materials. I found this one, and everybody inside the comment sections telling that their experience with the products is very comfortable. Some of them repurchase a few more items, and some of them even said that they will purchase more from them. So that attracts me to try their clothes. So something interesting that I'm gonna do here is that I will be trying them on, not just try them on. I'm using it inside the gym and see how it performs with me. So we will find out more after I'm going to the gym. So here is the package. Here's the thing, every single time I order something that I want to make a video out of it, there's always
Something missing.
If you watch my previous review for Caris Label, there are 2 items missing that I can't purchase. But in this case, they just forgot to ship it to me. So I got refunded from that. So supposedly I should be receiving 4 clothes, 2 sports bra and 2 pants. So I only received 2 short pants and 1 sports bra. It's okay. The pants is the one that I really wanted the most. I tried this first. If it really is that comfortable, then I am gonna purchase more, maybe. So this is the first item. It's packed inside a Ziploc bag. I've been wanting to get a white sports pants, and finally I got one. Let's see if it's not see-through, because the difficulty about getting a white sports attire is that it can be see-through, and I'm not sure if this material is the type that is protective enough for that. It's quite thin, I can feel it, and then it's very stretchable. And here is the second item. It's another pants, as I mentioned just now, but it's in dusty blue. Usually for sports attire, they use a 4-way stretch material so that it will be easier to put it on, and when you move during the workout, it's not going to be too restricting and uncomfortable. I can feel that it can be comfortable, and I like that it has a high band around for the waist area. And the thing that attracted me for this band is the back part. As you can see here, there is a scrunch bit around the midsection of the of the pants, so it can give an illusion of a rounded booty. And the final item is the sports bra. I really like this color, pastel purple. Look at it. Oh, it's very soft. Very soft. It's like a buttery material. I can tell that it can be comfortable for small-chested girls like me. Probably this is enough to support, but for larger chested ladies, I'm not sure if this is supportive enough, because the back is just pieces of string, and it's very stretchable as well. I think this helps to put on the bra much easier compared to other types of design that covered the back area, because after we work out, when we need to take out the top, it can be quite difficult when we sweat. But with this, I think it also helps for easy removal. So let's just try this on. Okay, so this is the first one, which is the blue pants. I can feel like it's very stretchable around the waist area. And then it's very easy to put on, because as I mentioned again, it's a very stretchable. It's a 4-way stretch, so when I do a lot of movements, lunges, also for squats, I can tell that it can be very easy for me to move around, not restricting at all. I'm very glad that I chose the M size because this is just the perfect size for me. Although I think I can still fit for the S size because for M it has a quite a good amount of stretch. The material here is a rib knit kind of material and is the sports type of rib knit, and I can tell that it's a sweat absorbent material and it's also cooling, so suitable for this kind of weather, Southeast Asia weather, right? And then the back part, although there is the scrunch, but it's not as much of scrunch that I want it to be because it doesn't show much of the effect, but it's still comfortable. Some of the scrunch really snug into the middle part, so sometimes it can be quite uncomfortable. But for this, it's not too much for the scrunch, so I don't know. I'm in between of the design this time. Plus, the waist area is actually quite high in my liking. Although it's still very comfortable, I do think that I prefer for this kind of length or for my workout shorts attire. So in the middle section of the pants, there is stitching on the inside as like this. Compared to my other shorts, this is the first time I see like this. I think it's because it helps to prevent the camel toe, because if this is until this part, and then it will enhance the folding in between until the front part. So I think this will help to stop from the folding. This is very interesting, but we'll see. And here's the second and the third piece. The top is very comfortable. It has the silk effect, the buttery feelings, and then it's quite cooling as well. And now let's look at the details on the back. I really like how it's designed across the top and across the bottom part. Although for some ladies who have a bigger bust might think that it's not supportive enough, but for me I think it's good enough because I don't have a very big chest, and for small chested girls like me will find this is enough. Let me try with the jump. It's quite supporting actually, because underneath here there is a rubber to support the lower bust, and then even though we move a lot, because there is support around this side as well to ensure that everything is in place. Really happy with this purchase because it's also not too low and it's also not too high. And then I'm pairing it together with this white short. The material is the same as the dusty blue that I tried earlier, and then I'm actually wearing a dark brown colored panties, so I really want to see how see-through this pants is. And as I check, I don't see any color coming through out of the pants. I think it's safe to use this with your panties underneath. So both of these, the top and the bottom, are very comfortable to wear, and I can tell that I won't feel restricted when I do my workout. And as I mentioned earlier, that I find that the pants, the waist area is quite high to my liking, but also I think it's fine because it doesn't cause more rollings on the side. This part is quite soft. I'm very excited to try this while I do my workout. Alright, I'm ready to go to the gym to do some workout. Okay everyone, so I already changed into my gym attire. I'm wearing the blue pants today, so I want to see how good it is while I'm doing my glutes workout, as well as for other workout that require a lot of bending. We'll see if we are going to form camel toe, because that's the thing about gym attire, right? Especially for ladies. I'm gonna put on a cap first, put on my shoes, then we're going to the gym together. Hopefully there's not a lot of people in the gym. I don't want to be awkward while filming and doing the workout together.
Okay, let's go.
don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait. Oh my, super yakking too bold. Take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey. Da 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 da. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da. The West Coast is back for all you suckers. Put it in. Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they
So I tried it on. I even tried it in the gym. How does it perform with me? And I can say that I am very impressed with this price. I can get the utmost comfortable. It can be a comparison with Lululemon and also Puma brand. So I don't think brand is really most important right now. Most important is the comfortability, and the price is very affordable, and I think I can wear this for a very long time. So I do recommend to try their products. The only disappointment I have is that I did not order a lot of items. It's only 4 items and they can still miss out 1 item. So that's quite disappointing. I was quite upset when I opened it and I only received 3 items. So I can't say much about it. I got my refund. As I mentioned earlier as well, I'm really happy with the product. Although sometimes the middle part of the pants rolling slightly around the thigh area, and it can also form camel toe, but very mild compared to my previous sports attire for the short pants. In the next few movements, I will have to pull my pants down to reduce the scrunchiness around my thigh area. So this one is quite a win compared to the other brands. And before I end this video, I would like to just say thank you to everyone who has been supporting me and subscribing me. But of course, in this channel, we are always welcome for everyone, the new people around here. And then looking forward for the next video that I already planned in mind. So keep a lookout for that. And that's the end of my video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I see you guys again next time. Bye bye!